In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a profitable Shopify dropshipping business for $0. This is the exact strategy that I recommend using if you're on a low budget to start your dropshipping store. I'm going to be walking you through step by step, showing you how to set up this insanely powerful strategy into your Shopify dropshipping business. So with that, before we begin the strategy, make sure to subscribe for more videos and drop a like. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright. So the first thing I want to go over is that I recommend a $1,000 to $2,000 budget to start dropshipping. But if you don't have that budget right now, don't worry because I'm going to be showing you this low budget strategy. If you follow this method and do everything I'm going to be showing you today, then you can get sales your first day using this method. Alright, guys. So normally when you start your Shopify dropshipping business, the first thing you want to do is set up your Shopify store. If you want us to make a complete guide on creating a high-converting Shopify store, leave a comment down below and let us know. But since we are on such a low budget, we're not going to want to start our Shopify store until we find our product. So I'm going to be showing you guys the best low-budget strategy to find a winning product almost instantly. So let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you guys how to set this up for you. The very first thing we're going to want to do is to come on to Google and look up AliExpress Dropshipping Center, and we're going to want to click the very first link. And if you've never heard of the Dropshipping Center, this is actually a platform listed by AliExpress. That gives you direct access and data to tons of products that are currently being sold on AliExpress. What we can do is we can come onto this platform and actually tap into data from other suppliers. So the first thing we're going to want to do is to click Find Products to Sell. And it's going to populate us to this portal of all these other viral products that are actually blowing up. So right now you should be on a page very similar to this. And what we can do is we can scroll down and we can look at some of these products. Because as you see, this product has 48,000 orders. This one has 29,000 orders, and we can scroll down here until we find some products that we wanted to sell. So another indication that these products are being drop shipped, right? And now is this DS border section over here. So this is only counting orders that have been directly integrated from the app that AliExpress provides. So even though you only see 119 orders over here, that's definitely not accurate because it doesn't include data from Oberlo or any private links, but definitely still use these metrics. If we keep scrolling down, we can see products just like this one had 2,886 out of 13,000 orders that have been shipped through their center. And these ones over here have tons of orders as well. So what we can do is we can open these links up and it will take us directly to the AliExpress link. And one thing that I want you guys to keep in mind is that we're not just looking for products with tons of orders, but we're actually looking for products that solve real-world problems. So let me give you a really good example over. I chose this shower head over here. I'll put a photo on the screen and what this product does. It actually takes toxins out of your water and purifies any hard water. So this is the perfect type of product that will draw customers in to find your product. Because even though it looks cool, they're actually buying your product for the problem that it's solving in order to be successful with the advertising strategy. I'm going to be showing you too. I would recommend it to be a problem-solving product. So definitely go through this list and keep scrolling until you find a product that actually solves a real-world problem. So I'm going to keep scrolling myself until I find one. And I'll be back with you guys in a few more. Alright. So here we go. I just found a product. It's a two-way pet hair remover. And if we check this link out, what this product does, it removes hair from carpets really effectively. And if you see there are 8,500 reviews on this product in 32,000 orders. So this is a really good indication that this product is very successful right now. Now, once you find a product you're interested, I recommend you go to the product title and copy some of the keywords down. So I'm going to copy a two-way pet hair remover roller, and I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste this onto Google, and what we're looking for is other Shopify drop shipping businesses that are actually selling this product. So once the product is typed in, let's head over this Google Shopping tab over here, and we're going to be scrolling down to see if other companies are doing this. So as you can see, we already see tons of companies right off the bat that are selling these. So I'm going to open them up. And number one, I want to check out the price that they're actually selling this product for, because whenever we find products on AliExpress, we want to make sure that we can mark them up by at least 350. So with that being said, I'm going to head over to the store creation, and I'm going to show you the lowest budget way to get your Shopify drop shipping store off the ground, and actually have a successful store that will guarantee customers convert on your website. And again, if you want us to make a complete guide on how to create a high-converting Shopify store, then leave a comment down below and let us know. Alright. So the first thing that we have to do to get our store set up is we need to choose a Shopify theme. My favorite free Shopify themes are Debut, Brooklyn, or Boundless. These are all really good options. The next thing we're going to need to do is to create a logo, and you can create a logo in just a few minutes by using Canva for free downloaded onto your store. And it should be looking really solid right now. Now then, obviously you're going to need to buy a domain name for your Shopify store. And this is the only thing in this entire method. That's not. There's no way to get around this, but I am going to help you guys reduce this cost to only 99 cents. So what you can do is type on Google 99 cents GoDaddy domain. There will be a link that pops up that will automatically inject a discount code where you can get started for your domain for only 99 cents. And then all you have to do is connect it into Shopify, and that will save you $12. So let's hop into the advertising segment of this video, and I'm going to be showing you how to get unlimited traffic for free using TikTok. So if you aren't aware, TikTok has become this industry leader in e-commerce right now. And there's a massive opportunity with individuals with low budgets to build simple TikToks around their store and get tons of visitors. Before we get into the method, I wanted to show you a real example. So this profile is called the Sunland. And if you see it, we're posting different viral content on TikTok, and it is getting 200 views. This one got 300 views, and some even over 1,000 views. This account got 1,700 likes in a matter of just a few days by implementing this. And it could potentially have attributed to over 5 sales for completely. So in order to make these posts, we have two options. Option number 1 would be browsing for different stock footage on AliExpress or Alibaba. If you go to some of the product pages, you'll see that they have videos that you can download, and we can recreate them into TikToks, but there's a very specific formula to do that. So that's option number 1. This could be a little bit time intensive, but it actually works. The final method to leverage free TikTok traffic is ordering the product off Amazon and then filming content. So while this isn't free, this is a very cost-effective way to get tons of viewers to your product. And if you order the product once, then you can make tons of TikToks using. So you can see how effective a post like this would be. And I have tons of them just like this. So if you order it, it's going to give your chances of being successful much higher, but keep in mind, it's not good enough just to have solid content. We're going to need to be posting all of our TikToks with different viral songs. So if you're not aware of how TikTok works, when you go to add music, there should be a viral section over there. And we're going to want to add the first, the second, or the third most viral songs on that list. One thing you can do is you can actually dim the volume down to almost 0. So this way you're going to get the effects of the TikTok algorithm being boosted on one of these viral songs, without the music playing. So this is a really easy and effective way to get video advertisements delivered to tons of people across the world for free. And the reason why I showed you guys to find problem-solving products as if the product just looks cool, I found it's just not as effective as if the products bring real-world value to someone. So definitely go out and try this method out. That was all I had for you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, go out and implement this strategy today. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.